Welcome to Leh. What a view! ये मेरा दोस्त है और हम जा रहे हैं ले पैलेस में. चलो. Hello, good morning. Today is the 15th and I did a little skateboarding on this road. It feels so good. This is our car for today. We are heading to Thiksey. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of us are going to fit in this car. I'm going to try. It's a small journey, so we should be good. We are currently driving through Leh. So right now we are at the Stok Monastery. This is a very big statue of Lord Buddha, built in 2012. So it's quite a new monastery, quite a new statue. Right behind me, right in front of me actually, we have the Stoke village, and that right there is the Stoke Kangri. The Stoke Kangri is called Stoke Kangri because Kang means snow and Ri means capped, so it means snow-capped mountains. And from there is a river that flows as the Stoke Nala, and that is what feeds the whole land, and that is the reason the region is completely green, and that's why you see so many green trees here.
Now these are called Tibetan prayer flags that you'll see almost everywhere in Leh. In fact, strung along trails and peaks high everywhere in the Himalayas. The 5 colors represent the 5 elements: earth, water, fire, air and space that together signify balance and harmony. Now there's something in the air in Leh. The landscape is so vast, it makes you feel tiny, and so do all your worries.
Hi!
It makes you want to scream and shout, because actually, nobody's gonna hear you.
So we are right now in Thiksey village, and behind me what you see is the Thiksey Monastery. But before we go to the monastery, we're going to go and have some lunch because we are so hungry. We spent a lot of time at the Stoke Monastery. It was such a beautiful sight there. So we are inside the restaurant Chamba, and it has a few local dishes. I've ordered for thukpa. I actually wanted to taste more of like momos and more local stuff, but this restaurant doesn't have a lot. So maybe we'll do that later in the day today. But I'm going to tell you what this food tastes like because I'm so hungry. I'm so hungry. अच्छा है, मुझे ज़्यादा मिलेगा ना खाने.
मैंने सिक्किम में खाया था.
मैंने भी सिक्किम में खाया. Oh, this is a lot. Okay, so my lunch is here. I ordered for thukpa, and I'm gonna do a tasting session. Wait, it's too hot. 1 minute.
Yes.
It's nice. It has a lot of flavors. Oh, here is the original. It's like the ultimate food. Very good, very good, very good. This is a mashed potatoes with cheese. Very interesting. Never had that before.
It's very popular in Mumbai also.
What? It's yummy. Why do I not know about mashed potatoes and cheese? What? I've never had it like in Europe. I've had like mashed potatoes, but not with cheese. This is interesting. we are currently inside Thiksey Monastery. Monastery is also called as Gumpa here. And I'm sitting right in front of a mane, which is actually scrolls of the Bodhi scriptures. And the ritual here is you rotate the scripture once and it's said that you've read the scripture. So once you do that, it kind of gets you good luck and peace.
This monastery is a 12-story building with a 49 feet tall statue of Maitreya Buddha. And this is the Maitreya Buddha statue. Now, according to Buddhist tradition, Maitreya Buddha is the next great Buddha who will appear on earth, following teachings of Gautam Buddha and achieving enlightenment.
So this right here is the silver stupa temple. So the Thiksey Monastery has different temples. The one we already visited, that was the Maitreya Buddha, which was beautiful. The energy in there was immense. I cannot explain in words how I felt there. झूले झूले। आपका नाम क्या है?
नमगल।
नमगल।
हाँ जी।
नमगल।
हाँ जी।
वो तो किंग का नाम था ना यहाँ का। डायनेस्टी का नाम था ना।
सेम।
सेम। ठीक है। और आपको यहाँ पे कैसे लगता है मोनेस्ट्री में?
बहुत अच्छा लगता है भिक्षु बन के।
अच्छा। और यहाँ पे ठंडी होती है ना बहुत?
हाँ जी। हम ज़्यादातर तो वहाँ साउथ कर्नाटका में रहते हैं।
अच्छा।
पड़ी
तो वहाँ पे आप रहते हो?
हाँ जी।
तो अभी आप
वैसे यहाँ छुट्टी के लिए आए।
छुट्टी के लिए आए हैं यहाँ पे? अच्छा। कर्नाटका में कहाँ?
वहीं मोहनकोट।
अच्छा। कर्नाटका में मेरा गांव है, मुरलीधरी में। अच्छा। आप कितने साल के हो?
मैं भी 20 साल का।
20 साल का। तो आपने ये डिसीजन कब लिया कि आपको?
मैं जब 6 साल का था तो मेरा भाई बड़ा भाई लामा में था।
अच्छा।
तो उसके से देख के थोड़ा मन आया कि तो मैं भी भिक्षु बनूं।
अच्छा।
इसलिए 6 साल से मैं
6 साल से आप हो यहाँ पे?
भिक्षु।
अरे वाह।
Monks live a life of silence, contemplation and prayer. Many monks also engage in teaching or engaging in an active mission. But in general, monks live in a close-knit community. They share their meals, pray together, do manual labor together, and also recreate together. This means adopting simple, selfless, and meaningful action towards everything you do daily. If you ask me, overall, the life of monks are so beautifully crafted. Imagine if we all implemented habits of monks in our lifestyle. It's indeed something to think about.
So another beautiful part of the Thiksey Monastery are these beautifully lined stupas. So there are a lot of sayings for stupas. They say that when senior monks or deities pass away, this is like a burial for them. Another very interesting part about stupas is that this is also used as a navigation in deserts. So when you see a particular stupa, you know that there is a civilization around it. How interesting is that?
The views from various sides of the monastery will take your breath away. And the best time to visit is from May to October. You can also stay at the monastery and indulge in local living in Ladakh, something you must consider.
आप कितने घंटे रुके हमारे लिए यहाँ पे?
7 बज गया तो 5 घंटा.
5 hours at one spot because we had to take so much of footage, but it was totally worth it. He watched 2 movies, it seems, while waiting for us.
हो गया.
It's the time.
Coming up next in the third and final episode is our journey to Changtang Valley by road. Beautiful landscapes around Somoriri, along with interesting hosts and locals, and of course, a hell lot of adventure. Stay tuned.